mathmarvelasmr. Today we will learn inverse trigonometric function. So first of all, inverse trigonometric function. The first problem is sine of sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equals to 1. We have to solve it for x. Guys, if you learn something, some tricks, some interesting topics from my contents uploaded in this channel, then obviously like the video, share the video to your math lover friends and subscribe this channel. Press the bell icon to know the further upcomings. So let's learn mathematics with me. So the solution will be this sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equals to, bring sine here, it will be sine inverse 1. Now sine inverse 1 by 5 plus cos inverse x is equals to sine inverse 1, it means pi by 2. Now keep cos inverse x in the left side and bring sine inverse 1 by 5 in right. Here it will be cos inverse x is equals to, we know that sine inverse x plus cos inverse x is equals to pi by 2. So here pi by 2 minus sine inverse 1 by 5 will provide us cos inverse 1 by 5. So cos inverse will be omitted and x will be equals to 1 by 5. This is the answer of the given question. Now let's solve the second one. We have to find the greatest and least values of the given trigonometric expression, that is sin inverse x whole square plus cos inverse x whole square. Now let's put it in formula. First of all, we will follow a square plus b square, that is a plus b whole square minus twice a into b. So sin inverse x plus cos inverse x will be pi by 2 whole square minus 2 into sin inverse x into, convert cos inverse x in terms of sin inverse x, because you know that sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equals to pi by 2. So it will be pi square by 4 minus 2 into pi by 2 into sin inverse x, now plus of twice sin inverse x whole square. 2 will be gone. Now we got pi square by 4 minus pi into sin inverse x plus 2 into sin inverse x whole square. Now bring 2 sin inverse x in the front side, it will be helpful for us. Now minus pi into sin inverse x plus of pi square by 4. Take 2 common, it will be 2 into, in brackets, sin inverse x whole square minus pi by 2 into sin inverse x plus of pi square by 8. Bracket close, that is twice sin inverse x whole square. Now we will make it perfect square first of all. So 2 into sin inverse x into pi divided by 4. Now that will provide 2 into pi by 4 will be pi by 2. So it's managed. So to make it b, we will keep b square, that is pi by 5 whole square, plus of pi square by 8 as it is, now minus pi square by 16 to negotiate the b square part. Now 2 into these three parts will form the whole square pattern, that is sin inverse x minus pi by 4 whole square plus of, on simplification it will provide us pi square by 16. Now this is the term that has been managed from the given question. Now we will use the inequality property about sin inverse, that we know, that is sin inverse x is less than equals to pi by 2 and greater than equals to minus pi by 2 for all x belongs to minus 1 to 1 closed interval. Here we will subtract pi by 4 from all of the sides. Like this. So here it will be 3 pi by 4 less than equals to sine inverse x minus pi by 4 less than equals to pi by 4. Now take whole square in all of the parts, then it will provide, this part will be squared up positive, this part will be squared up, so it will be pi square by 16, and the front part will be 9 pi square by 16. So obviously this is acceptable. So it will be, the square part must be greater than equals to 0. This will be squared up, and then less than equals to 9 pi square by 16. Here next part will be, we have to add pi square by 16 with them. So add pi square by 16 in all of the parts. That will be plus pi square by 16 less than equals to 9 pi square by 16 plus pi square by 16. It will provide us pi square by 16 less than equals to sine inverse x minus pi by 4 whole square plus pi square by 16 less than equals to 5 pi square by 8. Now we have to multiply 2 in both sides, since our required question possesses the multiplication by 2. So it will be in the form less than equals to 2 into 5 pi square by 8. This is 8. So it will be 8 and it will be 4. So pi square by 8 less than equals to, this part is nothing but sine inverse x whole square plus cos inverse x whole square, that is less than equals to 5 pi square by 4. So this is our answer. So this is the minimum and this is the maximum. This is minimum or least value, and this is maximum or the greatest value of the given question. Thus it can be solved. I think it's clear, the steps are clear to you. Now next question. It is tan inverse a cos x minus b sin x divided by b cos x plus a sin x. This is the question. We have to simplify this. So first of all, using shortest trick. One more thing, I have mentioned all the formulas in the next part of my video. So watch till end and don't miss any steps. If you skip any steps, you can't even understand what are the tricks I have used here. So first of all, divide numerator and denominator by b cos x. So divide the numerator with b cos x and the denominator also. This is a sin x divided by b cos x. Now tan inverse, the first part a cos x by b cos x, that is a by b minus, that is tan x, divided by 1 plus a by b into tan x. So here, according to the tan inverse property, we got, it will be tan inverse of a by b minus tan inverse of tan x. This will act as a and this will act as b here. So that's the property. So now it will be tan inverse a by b minus, only x will be there, since tan inverse tan x will be equals to x. So that is the answer for the given question. That's it. So here are the formulas I have mentioned you earlier. All of the formulas are here. 2 formulas there, Now here the other ones. Observe them carefully and note it down. It will be helpful for your practice. These are the formulas. So now next part. The next question is tan inverse x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 plus tan inverse 2x minus 1 divided by 2x plus 1 is equals to tan inverse 23 divided by 36. First of all, put the formula tan inverse A plus tan inverse B. So it will be tan inverse A plus B divided by 1 minus A into B. This is the formula, is equals to tan inverse 23 by 36. Now tan inverse, on simplification it will be further simplified if and only if this part in the denominator must be less than 1, so that we can calculate this. So first of all, write it down in the next page, that is x minus 1 into 2x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 into 2x plus 1 must be less than 1. So we will calculate this later. First solve this. This is x minus 1 into 2x plus 1 plus of 2x minus 1 into x plus 1 divided by, so the denominator parts will be omitted, so we will directly manage that, equals to tan inverse 23 by 36. Here it will be tan inverse 2x square plus x minus 2x minus 1 plus 2x square plus 2x minus x minus 1 divided by 2x square plus x plus 2x plus 1 minus 2x square minus plus x plus 2x minus 1 is equals to tan inverse 23 divided by 36. Now observe carefully. 2x minus 2x plus x minus x will be gone, and in the bottom part minus 2x square plus 2x square will be gone, plus 1 minus 1 gone. Hence we got tan inverse 4x square minus 2 divided by 6x is equals to tan inverse 23 by 36. Here we will omit tan square from both the sides, then it will be 4x square minus 2 divided by 6x is equals to 23 divided by 36, 6, and in 36 it will be 6 here. So 24x square minus 12 is equals to 23x, and hence it will be 24x square minus 23x minus 12 will be equals to 0. This is the quadratic equation. We have to solve this first using middle term method. We have to solve. So the middle term process will provide 24 and 12. So here it will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 5 2's will be there, and 2 3. Now 2 to the 4, to the 8, to the 16, to the 32, and 3 is a 9. So 32 minus 9, it will be 23. 32 minus 9 x minus 12 is equals to 0. On simplification, it will be 24x square minus 32x plus 9x minus 12 is equals to 0. Now we will take 8x common from both the sides. That will be 3x minus 4 in the internal part, then 3 will be taken common, then 3x minus 4 equals to 0. So let's go to the next page and find the factors. That is 3x minus 4 into 8x plus 3 is equals to 0. So either the first factor will be equals to 0, it will provide x equals to 4 by 3, or the second factor will be equals to 0, it will provide us x equals to minus 3 by 8. Now think about this part. Here it's an inequation, so inequation can be solved using x minus 1 into 2x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 into 2x plus 1 minus 1 less than 0. Bring 1 in the left side so that we can take the LCM. So it will be minus of x plus 1 2x plus 1 whole divided by x plus 1 2x plus 1, that is less than 0. Hence we got, if we break them, we will get 2x squared minus x minus 2x plus 1 minus 2x squared minus x minus 2x minus 1 divided by x plus 1 into 2x plus 1 less than 0. Let's see, 2x squared gone, plus 1 minus 1 gone. So total minus of 6x divided by x plus 1 into 2x plus 1 less than 0. So if we take minus 6 common from both sides, it will be x divided by x plus 1 into 2x plus 1 is greater than 0. Signs will be changed. This is the rule of inequality. If you multiply with negative part in both sides, then the signs will be changed. So now this is our inequality. From this, on simplification, we will get, obviously x will be greater than 0, since x in the numerator and the denominator part must be greater than 0, so that all of them will be positive. So x plus 1 is greater than 0 will provide us x is greater than minus 1, and 2x plus 1 greater than 0 will provide us x is greater than minus half, and obviously x is greater than 0, x is greater than minus 1, x is greater than minus half. So if we merge them, we will get x belongs to open interval minus 1 to minus half union open interval 0 to infinity. This is the range of x from the given condition. And now we got x equals to 4 by 3 and x equals to minus 3 by 8. So obviously we can say in this part 4 by 3 will be there, so x equals to 4 by 3 is granted. But x equals to minus 3 by 8 will not lie in the part or neither in the part. So that's why this can't be accepted. So x will be equals to 4 by 3. This is the answer of the given question. Thus it can be solved. I think this is an interesting question and you can understood these procedures using my explanation. Okay. Now next, the fifth question for today, that is tan inverse 1 divided by 1 plus 1 plus 1 square plus tan inverse 1 divided by 1 plus 2 square plus so on up to infinity, and you have to find the sum. This is our question. So first of all, we will find the nth term of the series, that will be tan inverse 1 divided by, so first term is 1 in the denominator, the second term is 2 in the second case, so n will be in the n case, and 2 square in the second case, so here it will be n square in the nth term. So this is the nth term, so we have to manage this. Let's see how we can manage. So we will take n common, n into n plus 1, so thus we can write this here. So it will be managed and 1 will be there. Then applying the formula of inverse, we clearly write tan inverse n plus 1 minus of tan inverse n. So this is the nth term. We got this. Okay, now first of all we have to think about the sum and then up to infinity. So first of all, let the sum be x is equals to summation of n equals to 1 up to infinity tn. This is the required part. We have to find this. Now we will bring limit n tends to infinity and the summation under particular term, that is r equals to 1 to n, where n is infinity. So thus we can solve this. Now this is tr means the sum of the term, that is t1 plus t2 up to tn, nth term, n terms are there. So limit n tends to infinity. So first of all, t1, put 1 in this part and you will get tan inverse 2 minus tan inverse 1. Now in second, in t2, that is tan inverse 3 minus tan inverse 2, and it will be further continued. The nth term will be tan inverse n plus 1 minus tan inverse n, hence closed. So tan inverse 2 will be gone. So tan inverse 3 will be gone with the next counterpart, the third counterpart. So tan inverse n will be gone with the previous counterpart. So only we got here limit n tends to infinity tan inverse n plus 1 minus tan inverse 1. Now we will put the limit, the value of n inside the tan, that is tan inverse infinity minus tan inverse 1. So tan inverse infinity will clearly provide us pi by 2 and tan inverse 1 will provide pi by 4. This is pi by 4. So pi by 4 is the answer. Thus you can solve it with intelligence, with tricks, and you will be successful. So thus follow. Thanks for being with me till end. I think all of the examples are clear to you now. That's it for today. Keep sharing, keep following, and share to your math lover friends, and subscribe this channel to know mathematics with me. Thank you.